Storm Tracker weather starts now with Chief Forecaster Bob McGuire.
Well, we're just about at the end of Wednesday, and things are going downhill all the way into the weekend. And speaking of going downhill, look at all the hills we have here. Look at the snow up on top of those. We're looking at the east and west rosebuds. A good picture by Karen McCaslin sent that to us. Look at the blue sky out there. Look at that. That's what we had today out there. Nice day, huh? Check this out, though. Here's a cool sunset tonight. Comes to us from Tammy Hochhalter. You're looking at the crazies. The thing I like about this, if you look real close, you can see the crepuscular rays shining through the tips of the mountains. Really nice looking shot. Still a little orange sky, so still got a little smoke in the sky over there as well. Here's the way things were shaping up in Billings tonight just as the sun was setting behind the Beartooth Mountains. We snapped that photo for you. And as you can see, our current temperature, 58 degrees under those clear skies. Our wind is out of the south now at about 8 miles per hour. Now, our high temp today actually topped out a little warm in that 67. The average high for this time of year, 77. So that was 10 degrees warmer than what we're at today. But still, I'll take 67 after the very cold morning. We had 33 degrees was our temperature this morning. Not quite freezing, but there was a little bit of frost in the areas across much of south central Montana and indeed Billings. 95 is your record for this state back in 1998. The record low 31 back in 1962. And when it comes to precipitation, well, let me show you. Here's what we had. Nothing new to add to the totals. We're at about a half an inch for the month. Need to be at 3,500 to be caught up to average. So we've done that. But for the year, we're still falling a little bit behind. We're at 1028. We need to be at 1040 to be caught up to average. And as you'll see here, our temps tonight generally into the 50s and 60s right now. A little cooler over at Kalispell. They're at 47 degrees there. A little cooler at Livingston too. 49. It's 47 at Dillon. Elsewhere, mostly 50s across the region, but a few places like over at Glendive, we're 48, 49 at Lewistown right now. Northern Wyoming, all into the 40s. Of course, here in Billings, we're at 58, 53 over at the Miles City. But these are our reported highs today, 60s and 70s just about everywhere we looked. In Northern Wyoming, we even had 58 degrees over at the Worland. So they were kind of a cool high temperature today. Meanwhile, as we move on, you can see the story, Doppler radar and satellite imagery. Hardly any clouds here and hardly any rain to report. Most of the rain is still up here in Canada. We had to look up there just to find any satellite or rainfall issues. So here's what's happening. You'll notice down here the big storm we had on Monday dropped all the way down to the Four Corner states, and that's it there. So watch what's going to happen. See the jet stream? It's wrapping around, and then all of a sudden it's going to grab that low pressure cell, and we think eventually start pulling it back up into Colorado, producing more snow for Denver, more rain and snow across Wyoming, and then eventually by the time Friday gets here, that thing will start fading in towards the Dakotas. But the wraparound moisture around that low could produce some spotty rain and cloudy skies across the southeastern corner of the state, while here in Billings and just about everywhere else in the rest of the western half of the country, we'll see mostly sunny skies the next few days. However, tonight we're going to cool back down into the 30s and 40s with mostly clear skies here tonight, not only in Montana, but also northern Wyoming. Then for tomorrow, we're looking at temps getting back a very comfortable day into the 70s, maybe some mid to upper 70s back here in southeastern Montana, but you can see some of the cloudy skies kind of rolling in from that southeast. That's where that low pressure cell is coming in from. In the meantime, here's what we're going to see in Billings tonight, cooling down to 41 degrees with mostly clear skies the next 7 days. You're going to like these. It's going to be nice. Sunny and 72 on Thursday, 81 on Friday, sunshine. On Saturday, back up to 82 degrees with mostly sunny skies. On Sunday, 86. Then by Monday, 91 degrees. Then a new cold front moves through. We cool back down to 82 on Tuesday. That night, even a little colder, some spotty rain showers. We think on Wednesday, maybe a 20% chance for some showers, and the temperature will be right around 73 degrees. And that's a look at the weather. We'll be right back.